We're good.
Hey, it's Frank from 40 Honeybee, and checking on this hive here, my number 7 hive. I made a note on it that I took a brood frame from it last time I was in, and I said that it will be full by the end of July. This was the hive. Oh no, it isn't. Never mind. I was gonna say this was a hive where I had trouble finding the queen, but this is a nice blue marked queen. You should have no problem finding her.
Yay!
Just doing a little old wellness check to see how they're doing. This should be a fairly quick inspection. Again, just want to make sure there's no signs of swarming or crowding. This was a split where the queen was born May 31st. So it's July the 18th. She's been around 2.5 months. So there should be a good number of bees in here, and it should be a very, oh yeah, look at that, bees right at the end. End to end bees.
Busy hive.
Wow. So there's bees on all 10 frames here, so this hive can use a super. I could use an extra box.
Oh.
See that?
Yeah. I was just about to ask what a super meant.
Yeah, super is like a second box.
Biz, biz, biz. This is so cool.
Where they would do honey and that kind of thing. Or make more babies. Wow. Yeah, this one definitely needs...
Oh, they made noises when you did that.
This one definitely needs a second box. So, we're going to try and make this inspection quick. But...
Oh, poor baby.
He's stuck. That way. She's going to sting me if I'm not careful. Come on, baby. Come on, there she goes.
Okay. Yay! Another day saving bees.
Tell them what that inside joke is.
Tell them?
Yeah, go ahead.
Not really. It was more like, I forgot her name.
Don't say anything mean.
I think they'd know.
There's my first thing. Gosh, dang it.
Damn.
Tried to help them, but...
Damn, it really does suck when you get stung.
Yeah. You may consider putting on a veil, honey.
Okay, I may.
It's all fun and games until you get stung. Many times.
Should I go put on one right now?
It's up to you, huh?
Before you do the grand reveal?
It's up to you.
I'm feeling
Another
fine.
honey frame. Okay, feeling fine. Feeling fine.
Oh, she's taking her dead friend and she kicked it off.
They say that some bees are actually undertaker bees, and their only responsibility is carrying out dead bees.
Oh yeah, like it's a mortician. What's her name?
Mortician.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, there we've got brood already on this third frame, and wow, that's a great sign. That means this queen is going to have a lot of brood in there. There's already 10 frames of bees. See, there's just a little space there.
For her to lay eggs?
And she filled it up with eggs.
Ooh.
See that? That's
Good girl.
That's definitely not honey. Those are eggs. That means she's pretty overcrowded though.
Unfortunately.
So we got to get her some new space in a hurry.
Is that something you're going to make a note of on the top of the box?
Yeah, I probably should, because if not, I'll forget. But I have the makings of a box. I have to actually put it together. And bring it, so that's full of honey. Oh boy. This one is likely going to be brood. It's a relatively new frame. Lots of bees in this hive. Wow, no, it's just completely empty, drawn out. They filled it with nectar on the top. Have to get the sun behind me. Yeah, no, this is all nectar. It's all nectar, which I don't want to see actually, because this queen needs room to lay. That frame should just be for eggs. This frame's got eggs. Oh yeah. See all the little, look in the middle, honey? See the little specks of white?
Oh wow, can I zoom
See if you
in?
can zoom right into one.
I bet I can, here. It's a bunch of bees, move out of my way, bees. There it is, I got a really good shot. There we go, hi. Hello, little babies. Okay, yeah.
So
they do look like grains of rice.
Literally been on here within the last couple hours, few hours, or day. So let's just see what else she's got as far as room to lay. Doesn't really matter because we're going to put on a brand new box on this tomorrow probably.
Okay.
It's a very light frame.
They're so cute.
Let's see if we can see eggs in this one too. The sun comes out.
We're so close to them right now.
I don't see any eggs in this one. There are eggs in this one though. Eggs and larvae all over.
Really? Oh yeah, you can barely see them. They kind of match the yellow on the bottom. Yeah. But holy smokes.
That's why the new frames that I'm putting in tomorrow,
the black ones,
are black.
Yeah. The black ones you can see them really easily and really good.
Let's see what else we got here. I'll give them a bit of smoke because see how they're coming up above the frames? I just want to keep them down. They're behaving well. I got stung by one, but can't say I blame them. Okay. This is a blue marked queen. Look at that beautiful brood. Wow.
Wow.
See that cap brood on the left, on the right, on the left.
Wow.
And doing some backfilling with nectar and pollen. This queen needs space. Yeah, look at that.
She needed bad.
So this is hatching out, but they're filling it with pollen. We've had the most incredible 6-7 weeks of weather here. We've had warm, almost heat wave weather.
Yeah.
But we've had a lot of rain overnight. So the bees have had their water, and there's good water source in here, but it just has not stopped the peak flow from the spring. We're July 18th now, and things are starting to dry out, but they're still doing amazingly. Again, hatching brood from one side to the other. Surprised we haven't seen the queen yet. Beautiful brood. Look at that.
So this is...
That's brood.
Wow.
So that's capped babies.
Oh.
It'll hatch out the next.
So this is like the hatching zone?
Yeah.
And you wanted her to lay more over...
Well, there's just some... It'd be nice. Usually the main nest is in the middle and then the honey is out to the sides, to the ends. This one's got a little bit too much honey in the middle where I want her to lay, you know?
Okay.
Like I said, because there's frames, there's bees on all 10 frames, she doesn't have much space. So one thing you don't want her to do is take off.
Because we definitely like this queen. She's
rocking. I haven't seen her though, which is unfortunate. She's a blue marked queen. Okay. One more frame, we'll take a quick look at it, and then we'll let her go. Because she's doing fine, we just need to give her more space.
She's doing great, wow.
Oh, heavy honey frame.
Oh, I thought I saw her.
She's going to have a blue mark on her. She did a couple weeks ago. See, again, this is an example where it's an outside honey frame, but they're putting eggs and larvae in it.
I know, it's weird.
Not greatly organized.
There she is, my girl.
Yeah, there she is, right on the outside honey frame. So for those of you who say the queen is never on the outside or never on the against the wall, there she is. There's the marked queen on the last frame, a honey only frame, which is right up against the wall. Look at that.
She's beautiful. She looks very happy. Oh! Bees.
Close that up for a second.
Close it? Sure.
Yeah.
Why would they say that a queen can't be on the outside?
It's not that she can't be, it's just, there's just honey out here. So she's not, but we've seen her lay, right?
Yeah.
You see her laying in a honey frame. So I think she's just looking for space. She just needs space.
Aww.
And what happens is if she keeps not having space, she'll swarm.
Yeah.
Right?
And does that mean when they leave?
Yes, and we don't want that to happen. Ooh.
You just put your fingers right into that bee's business. Bzz, bzz, bzz.
Yeah, I felt it.
Oh, it's just dripping. Is that honey?
Yep.
Oh, they're all stuck in it?
It's okay, they'll work their way out.
You're right. This is probably heaven for them. What are they going to do with that honey? They're just going to take it all?
Yep, they'll bring it back into the hive. Look at that.
Holy shit, God. Do you want to take a video of this?
No. There we go. All right, so let's get these guys down a little bit. Make sure the queen doesn't pop out of there. So this hive definitely needs another box. And this queen is doing great. Not crazy on our organization, but that's probably just because she's running out of space. Oh, there she is, right there. Look.
Yeah, I knew it. She was going to come up.
She goes to the outside
she's
again.
So
See that?
thick.
See how she went to the outside again? Why is she doing that? That's crazy. Hopefully got that on film.
Me? You're the one who told me to close it, silly.
Okay, let's get these bees put away. That's a good, I'm gonna have to reload this smoker too. All right, so this one's doing well. It needs another box, which is why we wanted to do this inspection. It's getting to be that time that the hives that you thought were just starting to get a foothold are now out of control. I'm 4D honeybee.